Hey guys, Jaane Jahan ki episode 36 and 35 and 36 are here. How time has passed. And थोड़ी सी आगे स्टोरी बढ़ी है. I always feel कि पूरी दुनिया की टाइमलाइन अपनी है और जाने जहां की टाइमलाइन अपनी है, right? इश्क इबादत के जैसा है. So थोड़ा सा we saw some more progress. Taimur is finally becoming insufferable. He says to Mahnur as well कि तुम वो जॉब छोड़ दो, खुद भी वो जॉब छोड़ रहा है, which was to be expected, right? आपने उस कैरेक्टर को इतना अच्छा पहले शुरू में लिखा था और अब इतना गंदा कर दिया है कि that was to be expected. Okay, so now we know that Shehram knows that Mahnur loves him, right? उसको इससे ज़्यादा क्लियर नहीं पता चल सकता. He knows कि उसकी वो छोटी अम्मी है, उन्होंने क्या किया माहनूर के साथ, उसने भी वो भी कन्फ्रंट कर लिया है. माहनूर की फैमिली लव्स शेहराम, शेहराम लव्स माहनूर. सो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड नाउ कि फाइनली देयर वाज दैट सीन ऑब्वियसली विच विद द सिस्टर where she tells him to his face, Zeenat, where she also tells him वो जो चाचा हैं, वो जो उनकी पूरी पोएम थी उन्होंने भी बताया. So now what is the problem? What is keeping Shehram from still talking to Mahnur? And I feel like, I said this a few weeks ago, should Shehram still say to Mahnur that I'm in love with you, given that Mahnur की शादी होने वाली है. But I feel like now he has to, right? जैसे जीनत ने कहा और जैसे उसकी बहन ने भी कहा कि like सब तैमूर की भी तो लाइफ खराब होगी ना if they go ahead. So I think that now Shehram needs to do something. Hopefully from the teaser for next episode we see that Shehram will say something to Mahnur to that effect. I hope कि Mahnur जो है वो reacts positively and not like how she usually does. But again, I'm not too hopeful on that. In other news, Tabrez and Gulzeb. Gulzeb finally finds that pouch जो आमिर की थी, and I think अब उसको पक्का पता चल गया है कि Tabrez is the one who has killed Amir. She's going to file for the FIR. Really excited about that track. That is one track जो like full speed ahead पे गया है and really has delivered. Alia का जो भागने का plan था, that has failed unfortunately. That scene between Alia and Abdul was quite nice. I don't know how Abdul's mother also now knows that Abdul loves her and she's warned him against it. I don't know how that will happen. How that link will come about कि Abdul and Alia end up together, because अभी तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि किसी की भी family इस चीज़ में interested होगी. Maybe Shehram will be the person who makes it happen. And yeah, so like overall some progress we saw. I in terms of like my favorite scene this week has to be the poem, and Shehram and Mahnur looking at each other, sneaking glances at each other, knowing fully well कि कि चांद के पास तो तारे हैं is Mahnur, पर सूरज बिल्कुल तन्हा है is Shehram. And I think like it's about time as well. Shehram के साथ बहुत बुरा हो चुका है. I think in the next episode we will see that उसकी election he will win in the next few elections. One thing that I noticed, which I don't know how many of you have been Imran Khan supporters or followers since the very beginning, since 96, 97. Shehram's election symbol is a chirag or a diya. Now it could be a tribute to Imran Khan, which is what my mind is thinking, or it could just be a tribute to Mahnur, because Mahnur to diya banati hai. But I don't know like how that has not come about, or that will come about. Have you guys also noticed it? What did you guys think of the episode overall? Let me know in the comments below. Are you still excited about Jaane Jahan? Do you think next week we'll finally get a confession from Shehram to Mahnur and from Mahnur to Shehram? It's about time, nahi? Anyway, I will see you next week. Apna khayal rakhiyega.